All right, so data, probably shown you this one. This is thinking. This is the problem, right? So this really has happened over the last 20 years. We went from having tons of little models about the world, especially social phenomena, but this happens in all the sciences, physics, biology, right? I mean, we've had all sorts of, if you go back in time, we have crazy ideas, right? The humors, the phlogiston, I mean, there's any number of things that we thought were real, so explained how things work. But there is a problem eventually, right? You start to measure things well, and this happens, and then you're sad. So, what's that?
So this happened to me.
Some reality. Well, and so it's maybe you want to live in this. This is like pure math, actually. This is sort of like you go between these two states with some sort of variation, and then you're safe because it doesn't matter. What's that? Definitely not in this corner, right? Okay, which is totally fine and great, and it is what it is, right? So you can, but eventually, we go from data scarce to data rich. All of these sciences have done it. I mean, and I think I've talked about this, right? So, astronomy is really 2000 is its transition, because that's when we start to have these big distributed satellite farms, basically, getting tons of data, and then it becomes, you're not just staring through one telescope and getting your data over 3 weeks. You're getting this massive data, and that just keeps increasing as these arrays get bigger and bigger, and you have just different problems to solve. All right.